Hey, what's going on? This is your boy Charles at Chadwick Experiences, where you need to learn, earn, and thrive in your everyday life. Behind me is a building. There's so many buildings that we're all gonna go through when you're in life, but this is the only building, in my opinion, that you need to worry about as you're learning and earning and growing through your everyday life on this earth. As you can see, this building behind me, it is a interesting building. They're all around the world. They're in everybody's state. They're in everybody's county, and they're everywhere. And it's a bank. So we can go to school, and that's a physical building just like this bank. You can go to church. That's a physical building as well, where you learn, morals, spirituality, and everything like that. But the conclusion I've come to after my high school, after earning 2 college degrees, is that this was the building that I should have been focused on the whole time. So as you can see, that bank is behind me. And what I do, I write books that's going to give you a different outlook and explain a lot of things. This student loan thing really is a challenge for some people. So check out my book. I love what Robert Kiyosaki says. Your report card isn't your financial statement.
Accounting is the most important subject for individuals, because this is what your banker wants to see. Your banker wants to see your financial statement. This is your report card when you leave school. If you have good financial statement, bankers will give you all the money you want. See, bankers have never asked me for my grades or my college I went through. Bankers want to say this. You have this, they'll give you all the money you want.
So people can graduate with a 4.0, but the question is, the building behind me, which is a bank, that's your financial statement. They say money isn't everything, but I would say it is something as you're growing and designing your own life. So this year, check out my books. If you're a parent or you're a student, I got a lot of game about student loans, and I'll put my books against anybody. They're the best in the whole United States. And if anybody read them, you'll have answers to what's going on right now. I'll put my books against any book in the world talking about student loans and what's the issue, and you will see facts with my book. Also, before you go off and get these degrees, look at that building behind me, which is a bank. Weigh out the cost. And when I say weigh out the cost, here's a scale on the ground. I literally mean it. Weigh out the cost of this degree. What is it gonna cost you? Especially when we're talking about this, the bank, where all your student loans money will be subtracted from, is a bank. This is your boy Charles at Chadwick Experiences, and let your family, let your kids, let them learn, earn, and thrive in their everyday life. Don't sign up for these student loans if you're not prepared to face the real banker. The real banker is you. Parents and students, you have the choice to control and limit how much you're willing to take out for the student loans. Please visit my website and check out my books. Thanks for tuning in to Chadwick Experiences.